Welcome to my channel. This time I will teach you how to edit photos with Lightroom Mobile. Please see the before and after. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Enjoy watching. First go to Light, Exposure 0.30, Contrast 26, Highlights -100, Shadows 100, White -100. Black 50, then hit Curve. Second goes to Color, Temperature 7. Tint 2. Vibrance -10. Saturation 10. Then go to Color Mix. Red hue 50. Saturation 100. Orange hue -10. Saturation 6. Yellow hue -100. Saturation -50. Luminous 20. Green hue .100. Saturation -80. Luminous -60. Aqua hue 50. Saturation -40. Luminous -90. Blue hue -100. Saturation -58. Luminous -35. Purple hue -30. Saturation -51. -20. Pink, 100. And done. Third, go into effect. Clarity, 30. Dehaze, 8. And done. Fourth, go into detail. Sharpening, 12. Noise reduction, 10. Color noise reduction, 20. And done. Then save to gallery. And done. Thank you for watching.